Hello and welcome back to my little corner of an internet. Now, as the thumbnail suggests, I am going to go through what I do to make either a thumbnail or a header or whatever. I've just done a Twitter one, and the idea came to me. Why not share what you've learned? Because I'm getting pretty good at it now. I've done many things, so I need a new YouTube header. I'm going to show you my old one, if I can. There we go. He's not doing that one. Right, that's my old one. As you can see, I'm missing my feet, and all the rest of it. So, I am using a website called photojet.com. It's absolutely free. What I always do is I always credit them in my descriptions or wherever I use any of the creations that I've done on their website. I always give them a credit. So yeah, here we go. What you need to do first, create a design. Click on that. And it'll bring you up to here, and it gives you lots of options: posters, flyers, social media headers, and events, miscellaneous stuff. There's a lot of options. So what we'll do is I need some some YouTube channel art, so we're going to go click on that, and it brings you up with some other options here as well. So I'm going to use, and it gives you templates, all the, lots of templates. I'm going to start from scratch. Photographs, you can have photographs, library, there you go, library. So what I'm going to do is start from scratch, obviously. So what I do normally first is go to add photo, and it'll take you to whatever you've got. So it'll take you to your computer, so you can just go to any file, local disk. I can't remember where it is. God, have you heard my stomach? It's rumbling like mad. Doesn't matter. Open. Obviously, that's the backward one. I want the other one. So which is in that one, I think. Yep. We'll go for that one there. Yeah. And I want my textured background, my blue textured background. Oh, pardon me, excuse me, which is there? Amelia Clark Lee. Oh, isn't she lovely? Right. So, what we do is we drag and we drop. Simple as. Now, if you look closely, when you stretch it up, when you stretch the image up, it's not doing. Oh, there we go. My head starts to disappear, and that right there, and you can see the side of my face disappearing as well. That is the space that you need to work with. That's the space that you've got to work inside. So there we go. I'll move myself over a bit. I'll drag it out so you can see the whole thing. So I'm not there, and there. On that about in the middle, I think in the middle. Yep. And then I'm going to drag him over. I'm going to go like that and stretch myself out a bit. There we go. Am I the same size? Probably not. I am now. We'll get my ugly mug and we'll slot myself over there. There we go. Lovely. So I've got that sorted out and that sorted out. I want my blue texture background, so I'm going to do the same again. Drag myself over, drag the background over, up we go. So you can almost see it there, and the blue doesn't go beyond that point. So that's your, obviously the space that you've got to work in. So there we go, and there we go, and there we go. This is how I do it. If you've got an easier way of doing it, then fine. Plop it in the comments. Or do a video, basically, and link me in the video. So I'm going to stretch that, stretch that, stretch that. And there we go. Now, it'll bring you up some options. So layer, so you want backward. So I'll pop up again, backward again, and there I am again. And that's it. There we go. I'm going to drag myself down a bit. There we go. So to add text, click on text, obviously. Add heading, and just do what it says on the tin, basically. My name is obviously Mr. Jones. The font that I use is called Bangers, because I really like it. So Mr. Jones, Bangers. And it's like this on all my social media, like for instance my Twitter account, Mr. Jones 1972. I'm going to put a link for that in the description as well. So yeah, so that's that done, that's that done. To make it bigger, you can either increase the size there, or you can just go A+, which is what I normally do because it's much more accurate. You know, you can get a better thing of it. So there we go, there we go, there we go. I think that's a bit big enough. So I don't want it like that, I want it like that. And I want him up there. So, that's that done. And to get the effect, don't need property, just go into effect. I want an outline. There's my outline. I'm going to change my outline colour to black because it looks really good. And boom, boom, boom. And look at that. That's it. I quite like that, me. I do like this, me. It's so easy to do. It really is. You don't have to go into, you know, bloody settings and sub-settings and goodness knows what. And it's so easy to do. And it's free. Which is great. Which is even better. Because I'm on a budget. Well, I'm not really on a budget. I'm just, you know, it's against my religion to spend money. I'm what you call, what is it, an orthodox tight ass. So I try not to spend money when I can. But, you know, I'm going to give them a credit anyway. You know, hopefully this video will get views and it'll give them some traffic that the otherwise wouldn't have had. So, which is a good thing, I think. I will eventually pay for it, like, you know, when I start, you know, bloody getting some money. So what do? I play games. And I talk some sense sometimes. Playing games and talking nonsense. Let's go for that one. Yep. So the font again. Colour. What I usually do for sub thing is I use a different font, so it just gives it, you know, so it's not all uniform. And I usually go for permanent marker, which is, you know, something that I like. And my font is white, so we'll click that. It'll make me a bit bigger. Playing games like no. Yep. To click off it, yeah. There we go. Playing games, I'm talking nonsense. Yep, that will do, I think. I'll make it a bit smaller because yeah. Right, okay. There we go, that's filled that out pretty decently. Again, I want a shadow on it, I want an outline on it. My outline will be black because I like it. And there we go. That actually looks pretty good. Cool. But we're not finished yet. I want to put a box around it because it looks good. So what you do is you go to clip art. There's lots of shapes there and everything, goodness knows what. You know, all looks good, but I'm not really bothered, so I'm going to click on that worldy thing. Oh no, I'm not. I'm going to click on shape. Right, click on shape and line. You will see a box pop up there. Well, a line pop up. So you stretch that out, stretch it out, and you maneuver it. Maneuver. And there we go. I don't mind it cutting into my face slightly. I'm not really bothered about that. And again, you click on layer twice, and it brings the things up, the font from behind. I'm going to change the colour to that. I always use one colour, which is that one. I wouldn't mind, actually, if I can find a software program, I won't mind having it slanted slightly, but I don't know how to do that, so we're gonna slightly tilt it, like I think. I always tilt it because it looks better, I think. It's just, you know, I think it looks better anyway. And we're going to do the same again. We're going to click line, and we're going to go bump, and we're going to go up, and we're going to go like that. Yeah, I'm going to drag that out slightly. Drag that out slightly. Let's see how it looks. Property layer. Yep. Looks pretty good. Is that the same distance as that? No, it's not. So I'm going to drag that over a touch. There we go. And the colour, obviously the same as the one above, because I like it. And there we go. Now you can add like different. There we go. You can add like a little thing. I'm going to put one more text in, but I'm going to be a subheading. Subscribe here. Subscribe here. I know you can't see it. I can't see it either, so I'm going to drag it down. We're going to change that to white. Or what, mate? And we're going to try a different font. This was another one. This is another favourite of mine, Edo SZ. And the effects is again an outline. I want an outline to it. And I want it coloured in black. Yes. Yep, coloured in black. And I want a bit of thingy there. Yep. Go back to clip art because I want to put a box around it for it to make it stand out. So drag that down. It's dead easy, isn't it? This is amazing stuff here. I never thought, if you'd have told me, like, because I've always been a bit of a geek where computers are concerned and stuff, but if you told me, like, you know, 10 years ago or whatever, I'd be doing like channel art and YouTube stuff and that, I'd have gone, no way. There we go. But I don't want it there, so I'm going to move that over there. I'm going to move that over there. Happy birthday to the guy next door. I think it's his birthday. So happy birthday to him. Live long and prosper. And I want to tilt that slightly. And I want to cut my feet off. Clip art. Here we go. Shapes. I'm sure there was an arrow somewhere that I could. Where's the arrows? Oh yeah, just stuck my finger in my eye. What a goon. There we go. Lifestyle family. Where could it be? Where could it be? Embellishment? Ah, there we go. So yeah, got an arrows there. That's cool. And will a white one stand out, do you think? Ooh. In fact, let me change the colour, thank you. That will change. Cool, 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 cool. Right, and what we're going to do, we're going to shrink that. Yep. We're going to spin. There we go. Because when I post it on YouTube, my subscribe button is going to be right about here. So yeah, I'm quite fond with that. No, we need it closer, don't we? I think. Shall we put a box around it and see how it looks? I think we should. scroll up to shape. Let's click line again. And let's go. Let's go. Nobody listens to disco. Eminem. Lyrical genius, that man. There we go. I want the property, and I want the layer, and I want that done. There we go. And there we go. I want to twist that box like that. And I think we're done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I do my channel art, my thumbnails, and everything such like. I'm going to stick this on YouTube. You know already how to do that on YouTube, so I'm not going to bother showing you. But click on my channel, links in the description. Yeah. What my thing is, my channel, it's exactly what it says. Playing games and talking nonsense. I've got a two major playlists going on at the moment. I've done the Last of Us. I've done the Last of Us Left Behind. I've given some advice on how to avoid TV licensing goons. I reply to comments. My subscriptions are going up by the day. There's 1,000 views on my TV license video, over 1,000 views, which I'm so happy about. Thank you everybody for watching, and hopefully you found this advice or what I've done, hopefully you've found it helpful. If you're going to use PhotoJet, please link them in your descriptions. You know, give them a shout out, why not? And I think I've bored you for 16 minutes and 51 seconds. Ta-ra!